historic multi-year collaboration between Nike and the LEGO Group, two well-known companies renowned for their dedication to creativity and innovation, has been formally announced. By fusing Nike's Just Do It philosophy with the creative potential of LEGO bricks, this partnership is expected to inspire children worldwide via sports and imaginative play. As they team up with Nike, LEGO is making a big change to their previous successful partnerships with other well-known companies. Beginning in the upcoming year, families around the world can anticipate a number of co-branded goods, events, and content that are all intended to engage kids in fresh and fun ways. By encouraging creativity, fun, athleticism, and imagination, this program embodies the brand's shared goal of enabling children to be the best versions of themselves. The first full-fledged product collection from the partnership is anticipated to be released in August 2025. SRP is $155.